What's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade lemon blueberry bread from scratch. This recipe calls for about 15 half-inch thick slices of lemon blueberry bread. Not only is this bread full of lemon flavor with just the right amount of blueberries, but it is absolutely delicious. Now I do have other quick bread recipes out there that you can try. Recipes such as my delicious homemade banana nut bread, banana nut muffins, and blueberry muffins. I'll have the links to those recipe videos in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your homemade lemon blueberry bread. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need some all-purpose flour, sugar, sea salt, baking powder, baking soda, unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 8 ounces of sour cream at room temperature, whole milk, 1 large lemon, 6 ounces of fresh blueberries, vanilla extract, lemon extract, yellow gel paste food coloring, and some confectioner sugar. To bake your lemon blueberry bread, you will need some Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray and a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Add 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Stir all your ingredients together. In a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, add 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature and 3/4 cup of sugar. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that butter and sugar incorporated. Then turn your mixer up to the highest setting and mix this on high speed for 4 minutes. Now at some point during the 4 minutes, you're going to stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Continue mixing that in. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. We're going to add 2 large eggs in one at a time. Start your mixer on a medium speed. Add the first egg in. Now add the second egg in. And mix that until it's combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Mix on a medium speed for 15 seconds. Just want to make sure that those eggs are incorporated. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Rinse 1 large lemon. Zest your lemon. And there's the lemon zest. Cut your lemon in half. Here we have a citrus juicer. Juice a half of a lemon. Here we have a measuring cup. Fill it with a mesh strainer. We're going to pour our lemon juice into this measuring cup. And once done, we should have about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice altogether. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 1/4 cup of sour cream at room temperature. Mix on a medium speed until combined. Now the batter might be curdled. Don't worry, that is normal. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Here I have a toothpick and I dipped it into the yellow gel paste food coloring. Swirl the toothpick into the batter. Add your all-purpose flour mixture. Add it in there all at once. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add 2/3 cup of fresh blueberries. Using a spatula, fold the blueberries into the batter. And our lemon blueberry bread batter is now ready. Spray your loaf pan with non-stick baking spray and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Add your lemon blueberry batter into your loaf pan. Spread that around as evenly as possible with a spatula. To make the batter more even, shake your pan slightly. Now if you want to add some fresh blueberries on top, you can do so at this time. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 325 degree oven. Bake for 45 minutes. Remove your lemon blueberry bread out of the oven after baking on 325 degrees for 45 minutes. Toothpick inserted into the bread should come out clean. Let this cool completely before serving. For best results, serve this the very next day so that way the flavors can settle and increase overnight. Now let's make the glaze. Add 1/1/4 cups of confectioner sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of warm whole milk, a half a teaspoon of lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract. Using a whisk, stir all your ingredients together until your icing is creamy and smooth with no visible lumps. Now if you want to color this is optional. Take a toothpick, dip it into the yellow gel paste food coloring and swirl it into the icing. Give that a quick stir. And our icing is ready. Now for decoration, here I have a squeeze bottle. Now if you don't have this, that's okay. I'm going to add the icing into the squeeze bottle. Just going to pour it into the funnel to get it into the bottle. Place this into the microwave on high for 20 seconds. Here we have our lemon blueberry bread and we have our squeeze bottle with our lemon icing in the inside. Drizzle your lemon icing on top of your lemon blueberry bread. You can also go along the sides of your lemon blueberry bread as well if you like. Let this set for about 5 minutes before serving. Here is the final presentation. Look at how beautiful and moist that looks. And there you have it. Homemade lemon blueberry bread, made from scratch. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Oh man, look at how moist that looks. The cake is soft, moist, with a tender crumb. As far as the flavor, it has the right amount of lemon flavor, just the right amount of blueberries, not too sweet, just right. And that icing really brings out all of the flavors and also gives it a little bit more sweetness. Really, really good. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. It's a winner. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.